Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get open Kraken Pool. First, understand that Kraken Pool simplifies the process of staking cryptocurrencies, allowing you to earn rewards by contributing to network security. It's a straightforward way to grow your digital assets. You'll need a verified Kraken account to begin this journey, ensuring a secure and compliant experience from the start. To get started, you must first create and fully verify your Kraken account. This involves providing necessary identification to meet regulatory standards. Once verified, you can fund your account with the specific digital assets you wish to stake. Always enable two-factor authentication and other security features to protect your investments effectively. With your account funded, navigate to the staking section within the Kraken platform. Here, you'll see a list of available cryptocurrencies eligible for staking. Select the asset you wish to stake, then specify the amount. Carefully review the staking terms, including potential lockup periods and reward rates, before confirming your participation in the pool. After joining, regularly monitor your staking rewards and the overall performance of your staked assets. Kraken provides tools to track your earnings and manage your positions. Should you decide to withdraw, understand the unstaking process and any associated waiting periods. Remember to check the description for a link to grab Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals to keep your car fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.